let us see 5 questions in this video based on Tcs model. The first question says, a bus leaves at 3 p.m. A bus leaves at 3 p.m. Okay, towards Mumbai, towards Pune, from Mumbai to Pune. It travels for 1.5 hours. It travels for 1.5 hours at the rate of 60 kilometers per hour. And next, it halts for 30 minutes. Halts for 30 minutes. If you see this question, a bus leaves Mumbai at 3 p.m. It travels for 1.5 hours at 60 kilometers per hour, and it halts for 30 minutes, and it travels remaining distance at the rate of 50 kilometers per hour. It will reach Pune by 6 p.m. So 3 p.m. it starts, it completes the journey by 6 p.m. Total time taken is 3 hours. So what is the distance between Mumbai and Pune? What is the distance between Mumbai and Pune? Now if you see this, speed of the bus is 60 kilometers per hour. Speed of the bus is 60 kilometers. 60 kilometers in 1 hour. It travels for 1.5 hours. It travels for 1.5 hours. It travels for 1.5 hours. So 60 kilometers in 1 hour plus 30 kilometers in half an hour. So total it is 90 kilometers distance it has covered in 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hour completed, distance is 90 kilometers. Again 30 minutes it will take a halt. So 1.5 hour plus 30 it is 2 hours. So 2 hours time completed, 90 kilometers distance it has travelled. Now total time is 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. that is 3 hours. 1 more hour is there. In 1 hour speed is 50 kilometers per hour. In 1 hour it travels 50 kilometers per hour. That is 90 kilometers. It is already covered in 2 hours plus 50 kilometers. 90 plus 50, 140 kilometers is the distance covered by the bus. It's very simple. The question is very simple. So the bus covers 60 kilometers in 1.5 hours, takes halt for 30 minutes. Again in the remaining time, its speed is 50 kilometers per hour. But the remaining time is also 1 hour. Let us see the next question. Let us see the next question. The question says, the ratio of tea costing 192 per kg is to be mixed with tea costing 150 per kg. So one type of tea is 192 rupees per kg. It is allocation and mixture question. One type of tea, one quality of tea cost is 192 per kg. It's mixed with tea costing rupees 150 per kg. Second type of tea is 150 per kg. The mixed tea is sold as 194.4 per kg. It is sold at 194 rupees 40 paise per kg. And it is giving a profit of 20%. Whenever you are getting a profit or a loss in a business, first we should know what is the cost price. What is the cost price here? Coming to the cost price, We know that cost price is equal to 100 by 100 plus profit. So 100 plus 20%, 120 into 194.4. This is the selling price. So 100 by 100 plus gain into selling price is the cost price. If you solve this, we get 10 by 12 into 194.4, that is to 5 to 6 into 194.4, that is 6 3 is 18, 6 is 12. Okay, 6 3 is 18, 6 2 is 12, 6 4 is 24. So finally we get 162 rupees. This is the cost price. This is the cost price. Now we got the cost price. We are writing it in the center using alligation and mixture. Okay. That is 192, 150 and 162. So this is cost of one type of tea, this is cost of second type of tea, this is the cost of both mixed together. So we get 150 and 162, the ratio is 12, and 162 and 192, the difference is 30. So 162 minus 150, 192 minus 162. So we get 12 is to 30, we get 12 is to 30, that is 6 2s are 12, 6 5s are 30. The question is, in what ratio we have to mix? So the ratio is 2 is to 5. The first step is we have to find the cost price. After finding the cost price, we'll put the cost price in the center, we'll get a ratio. Let us go to the next question, question number 3. This is all Tcs model. Question number 3. The MRP of a shirt, maximum retail price, MRP, the maximum retail price of a shirt and trousers are in the ratio 1 is to 2. S is for shirt, T is for trousers. If shirt cost is 100 rupees, trouser cost maybe 200 rupees, but the ratio is 1 is to 2. We have to assume the number at 100 and 200 or so. The shopkeeper gives a 40% discount on the shirt. So I am considering shirt and trouser. Shirt as 100 rupees, trouser as 200 rupees for the convenience to solve the question. Now the shopkeeper gives 40% discount on the shirt. So 40% for 100 rupees is 40 rupees discount. So the shopkeeper gives 40% means 40 rupees discount on the shirt. Okay. Then the shirt cost is now 100 minus 40, 60. And the overall discount and shirt and trouser. So shirt plus trouser, if you take it is 100 plus 200, 300 rupees. He is giving how much discount here? He is giving a discount of 30%. So for 300, if you take 30%, it is nothing but 90 rupees. 300 into 30%, that is nothing but 90. So now what we have got is shirt 60, whereas shirt plus trouser which is 300, because of 90 rupees less it is 210 now. So 300 rupees for shirt plus trouser, it became 210 rupees because of 30% discount. The discount offered on the trouser is how much? So this is 210 shirt plus trouser and this is 60. So 210 minus 60, if I take, how much do I get? That is 150. That is 150. So 200 trouser became 150. 200 trouser became 150 means 50 rupees less. 50 rupees less. So 50 less out of 200 into 100, that is nothing but 25%. That is nothing but 25%. So what we have done, 100 rupees was a shirt, 40% discount, that is 40 rupees, it became 60. 200 is a trouser if we talk. Total the discount given on shirt plus trouser, that is 300 rupees is 30%, that is 90 rupees discount, that is 300 minus 90 is 210. So 210 and 60 difference is 150. So 200 trouser became 150, that is nothing but 50 rupees less. 50 out of 200 into 100, that is 25% is the answer. So the discount offered on the trouser is 25%. Let's see the next one. The question says, in a certain city, 60% registered voters are party A and the rest are party B. So party A voters, party A and party B. So 60% voters are registered for party A in the sense 40% will be registered automatically for party B. In an assembly election, 75% of the required party A supporters. So in 60, 75% is 60 into 75 by 100, that is 3/4. That is 4 15s are 60, that is 45. So I am taking directly 60 and 40. In 60, members of the voters total is 100, then 75% is 45, and 20% of the registered party B supporters. In 40, 20% means 40 into 20 by 100. That is nothing but 8. So finally, these are the supporters of party B. So what percentage of the registered voters are expected to vote for candidate A? For candidate A, how many are going to vote now? So 45 plus 8, that is equal to 53, or 53% because we are taking it as 100. Total we are taking it as 100%. So it's nothing but 45 for 40A supporters, for 40B supporters it's 8. So 45 plus 8, it is 53%. Now we are going for the last question of this video. The value of a scooter depreciates in such a way that at the end of each year, it's 7/8 of its value at the beginning of the same year. So what is the value of the scooter? Suppose it is say 100 rupees. In 1 year it is becoming 7/8 of its value every year. It depreciates to 7/8 of its value at the beginning of the same year. So initial value instead of 100 he has given 59,904. So in first year it's depressed to 7 by 8 of the original amount, original value. Second year again 7 by 8. Third year again 7 by 8 of its original value. So we can write 7 by 8 into 7 by 8 into 7 by 8. So if we solve this, finally we can solve it by 2, for example. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 2 4s are. Okay, with 4 if we check it, 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are. Again with 8 you can check it, you can cancel it. 8 9s are 63, 8 6 8 1s are. So again if you solve it, finally we get 40,131 rupees. That is 59,904 into 7 by 8 whole cube. If you do, you'll get this value. Hope it's clear. Thank you.